Welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
And today we are going to be talking about color mistakes that might just be aging you. And we have a lot of celebrities that we're going to show today. So I hope you are ready for this. I know celebrities are like a Color Class favorite.
I know. The thing is, we are doing a series. And just to let you in on the plans for Color Class, we're doing a whole color mistakes series across the gamut.
Right.
But one of the most obvious things, easiest thing to do as the first video, we're going to do 10, I think, is color mistakes that make you look less beautiful. Now, I say that because we started this with color mistakes that age you. But look at Sarah. You know, she's gorgeous. She's
Thank
young.
you too.
Well, I'm not young, but thank you for saying that. But here's the thing. The color mistakes that are aging me, she has color mistakes that make her look tired, less healthy,
Right.
Run down. Not her perky little self. So everybody needs to pay attention to this, even if you're young and gorgeous and just fabulous. This matters. And if it doesn't matter today, it will matter sometime into the future.
Hey, you know what? We always have shadows, and I will tell you, me wearing black brings out every bit of shadow I possibly have. So yes, it does matter to everyone. So let's get into black since we're talking black.
Okay, well, black is one of those colors that ages me horribly.
Us softies. We need a clear person. We always need our clear person right here.
Because we're always talking from the soft perspective. Black on you, winters. Gorgeous. When you've got a little bit of age on you, maybe you've gotten salt and pepper in your hair.
Yeah.
Then we need to soften that black a little bit, because if it's harsh and clear, and you are not, on the clearer side, if you're not pure winter, it's gonna pull you down. And basically that's because light hits this black. Black reflects blue, kind of a blue-gray. When blue-gray starts reflecting up in your face, you look drawn, you look tired.
You can see that here with Helen Mirren, which obviously you see the shadows happening. You also see the shift of her yellow skin tone, the cheeks.
I think
it's shifting yellow.
I think Helen Mirren is one of the most beautiful actresses.
Absolutely.
I absolutely adore her, and I look to her outfits and things. This was not one that I coveted, not at all for her. Now, one of our rules, if you watch us a lot, you know that we don't like the word rule, but there are a few that apply. And if you are a former brunette, deep brunette, or a former person with black hair, and you've started to add a little color or add a little lightness to you as you've aged, you're used to wearing black, and you're used to looking fabulous in black. Just keep an eye on, as you soften, your skin tone is going to soften also. As you soften, make sure that black softens a little bit.
Well, also the texture of this black.
She is wearing black patent leather coat.
Yes, that is the clearest of clears that can be possibly clear. So she went full-blown clear. Now, of course, she did do some things that we do recommend, pulling her hair kind of back. Eye makeup went a little bit heavier. Obviously, the lip color didn't match the contrast, but she just has a little bit too much warmth. You see her shifting yellow. Her skin tone, her brows.
We love you. Black isn't your color.
Yeah, it's just this right here is a little too heavy. And then, of course, you have our redhead, which black on a redhead is going to shift your hair yellow. It's going to make it look like it is brassy.
Straw.
Right. So you do have to be careful. Now, Nicole Kidman, stunning.
She's beautiful.
Gorgeous. Obviously, the lower neckline helps as well, but it brings the shadows in again. And the black background, like they just double whammy there on that one. There was no helping with this, but some things that we could have done: up the contrast, pulled back the hair. She has enough depth at the crown of her head, so pulling all of her hair back wouldn't have brought that yellowness at the bottom out. It's a little bit more contrast on the makeup.
Yeah, but here's something I've noticed about her. She is so fair.
Yes.
She just...
And that bronzer.
Yeah. So there's this sort of disconnect.
Right.
Because what we're looking for is harmony, right? And even Helen, with her almost white hair, it's a little warm.
Yes.
If you look at photos, it's not pure white.
And she used to be a golden blonde. I remember
Blonde.
pulling images of her when she was younger.
And her brows are still blonde, blondish. They're not white. So for her, it's just a no-brainer. Stay out of the patent leather coats, and I will keep that out of my wardrobe too. So
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
that makes you feel better.
She will show up here with a gray patent leather coat, though.
Maybe if I could find one.
Oh, I'm sure you guys could find one easily.
Link below. Just put it in the link below, and I'll partake.
All right. Next up, we have white.
It's same thing. Only it with the white, it tends to make you look like you've been hit in the face with flour, for lack of a better term. I'm sorry. That's what I look like when I put on and Sarah coined the word. I love it. Clinical white.
Clinical.
Pure clinical, like you find in the hospital. Like we're not talking about pearl. We're not talking about, we're talking about the white of that credenza behind us.
Do you see like the hair of Pamela Anderson and Jennifer Aniston? Pamela Anderson. Oh, wow. Jennifer Aniston and Pamela Anderson, right?
And you did that well, because I would have gotten it all like bumbled up.
It just hit me.
I'm so proud.
Did you know they had the same last name?
Oh, no, it's not. Aniston
Oh.
and Anderson.
Oh, man. All right. Jennifer Aniston. Oh, you're so right. See, then I got confused, didn't I? Did I say it properly the first time?
Perfect.
And then
you were perfect.
I was
and
like,
then
wait.
you messed your mind up.
Okay. Well, both of their hair color, again, is shifting yellow. Why? Because we have these cool colors competing. Remember, our mind wants to shift these shades.
It's called simultaneous contrast, and it wants to make sense of what you've chosen. And so it will make it make sense, but it won't make you pretty. It will just make it kind of make sense.
Yes. And we know like Jennifer Aniston with her like gorgeous teals, she looks so good in that because it brings out her eye color. And Pamela Anderson, stunning, but we can't go clinical white. It's just competing. It's arriving before they are. When I look at both of them, instantly that shade is what pumps out first. Like
unless you're a winter, unless you're a young winter, because winters, as they age a little bit, they soften a little bit, and then you want to go pearl. You want to kind of get out of that jarring, like hospital light. It's just not flattering.
Yes. So just keep that in mind when you're picking out your white. We do love a little dusting of something. Yeah. For any of you, except unless you're clear as clear can be. You guys get white. Now let's get into some lipstick choices.
Well, could we just call it contrast before we go lipstick?
Yes.
It is color.
It is the contrast,
on her.
yeah.
And avoid high contrast. If you are aging, if you have any gray at all, if you're not a clear winter, or if you're not a clear, even a clear autumn.
We love you clears, but this video is not about you.
You're fine. Just keep doing what you're doing. But you clears, you can have the vivid colors, you can have the vivid lipstick, but
anything less than a clear.
if you don't tone it down as you age, you will not have a pretty result.
The color will arrive before you. And you can see that here with Catherine O'Hara. Like the lipstick, the blue blazer. I don't even know what to look at, but I didn't even know Catherine O'Hara was in the picture.
Yeah. And did you recognize it was Catherine O'Hara right off the bat?
No. My mind can't even decide what to look at.
And again, once again, she's lovely. She's absolutely lovely when you honor her. She's got like a blonde hair thing going on. it looks by her roots that she was a dark-haired person in the past. But as long as she's got that lightish blondish hair going on, she can't wear that street stripe of vivid red. One, makes her teeth look yellow, and then that blue goes with the lipstick, but doesn't go with her.
We are strictly talking about Catherine O'Hara with this hair color. I want to make that very clear, because when we look at celebrities, we are looking at them, and we know celebrities change up their hair color all the time. So it's not like, Catherine O'Hara with black hair, Catherine O'Hara with pure silver. We're looking at what she is currently wearing and has at that time.
May I go off topic?
Well, it's not a color class video unless we...
No, it's not. But I was looking through celebrity photos, and I kept seeing this one, and I was like, who is that? She looks really good, but she also looks really familiar. And it was Reese Witherspoon with black hair.
Oh, yeah.
And she just does fine with... Now, I should have paid special attention to her brows to see if they modified her brow look, so that, because she just looked fantastic.
Yeah.
So if you are, like Reese, able to dye your hair black, and that's what you want to do, and you want to be high contrast, ignore everything we're saying here.
Match your contrast, though. You need to match your contrast. So brows, you need to do more makeup, you need to do heavier everything to bring that contrast.
I've wanted for the longest time, and we haven't done it, I want you to see Sarah in a wig.
I know.
I put her in, do you remember me?
Yes.
I put her in a black wig. It was like one of those wedge wigs. I think she had bangs. She was gorgeous.
It was fun. We do need to do a show with wigs. All right.
Well, I don't know about wigs for me, because I have a really big head.
We're not like trying to look great in them. We're just showing you what can happen.
I'm just worried that if I'm wearing a wig, it'll just fly off into the air during a video. Like, because my head's so big.
We should do a video and try to make that hair work.
My hair? Fun. Okay.
Like, we should both grab like crazy wigs and figure out what we need to do to make match the contrast, the makeup levels, everything. That could be a really fun video.
Stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe, because somewhere along the line, it will be there for you to enjoy and us to be horrified by, I'm sure.
Just comment down below if that's what you're looking for.
So anyway, just to recap.
Yes.
Really what this video is about is avoid high contrast if you're aging, or if you are a softie.
Yeah, if you're a softie is the main.
If you're not a clear, and you find yourself gravitating to something that's high contrast, ask yourself a question. Am I prepared to look like less of me?
Or is the color just arriving before you? Yeah. I love how I'm like the soft one. Like, you're still going to be beautiful. You're still going to look amazing. It's just that color might arrive a little before you.
And because I am 69 years old and I have no filters, and Sarah constantly has to like, Mom, let me just say this. It's not going to flatter your beauty.
Okay, that's good. We can leave it at that. Oh man, I was gripping tight when you were like, "Let me just say this."
I do this to her constantly. She's like, cringe, cringe, cringe.
Are we gonna get?
But I try to take care.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. But if you're interested, comment down below what we should do next. If you have any celebrity suggestions, if you really want to do a wig show, let us know. We also will be available over on Patreon, and all of our socials are down in the description below. So while you're here, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things that will help out this channel grow so we can buy wigs.
Yeah. I was like, when are we going to get the budget for wigs? Because I don't want to put on those Halloween wigs.
Yes, you subscribing will give us that budget. So thank you for being here. Lastly, I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
This has been another color class, and we'll see you in our next video.